Cracking the Homonym Code, Mastering English with Mnemonics. Hello everyone, and welcome to another lesson on mastering the English language. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of homonyms and how to avoid the confusions they can cause. Our secret weapon? Mnemonic devices. So, let's unravel the secrets of this effective learning strategy. Before we dive into our secret weapon, let's understand what we're dealing with. Homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Sometimes, they're spelled the same way too, like bat, a nocturnal animal, and bat, a piece of sports equipment. But sometimes, they're spelled differently, like bear, the animal, and bear, to reveal or uncover. It's no surprise that they can lead to confusion. So, how can we deal with these troublesome word pairs? That's where mnemonic devices come in. These are memory aids that help us remember complicated information. They can be simple associations, like an image or a phrase, that link to the concept we're trying to remember. Mnemonics are particularly effective for learning languages because they connect new information to knowledge we already have. Here's how you can use mnemonic devices to conquer homonyms. Let's take the homonyms, bear, and bear, as an example. You could remember that you wouldn't want to see a bear without its fur, which would make it bare. This creates a vivid, funny picture in your mind that helps you remember the difference between the two words. Let's try another example, flower and flower. You could imagine a flower growing out of a bag of flour. This is a strange image that sticks in your mind, helping you remember the distinct meanings of these homonyms. Start by identifying the homonyms you have trouble with. Not all homonyms are problematic for all learners, so focus on your personal challenges. Make your mnemonics personal and meaningful. The more they resonate with you, the more effective they'll be. Practice regularly. The more you use your mnemonic devices, the better they'll work. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope this new tool of mnemonic devices will help you untangle the web of homonyms in English. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for learning. So, don't shy away from those tricky words, embrace them with your creative mnemonics. Keep practicing, and you'll soon see the improvement in your English language skills. Until our next lesson, keep learning and exploring.